Hello everyone, welcome to this video on minimizing taxes for side hustlers. As a side hustler, it's important to know how to manage your taxes effectively so that you can keep more of your hard-earned money. In this video, we'll discuss some tips and strategies that you can use to minimize your taxes and maximize your profits. Point 1. Keep track of your expenses. The first tip is to keep track of all your expenses. When you're running a side hustle, you'll likely have many expenses that are directly related to your business. This could include equipment, supplies, or even travel expenses. By keeping track of these expenses, you'll be able to deduct them on your taxes and reduce your taxable income. For example, if you're a freelance writer, you can deduct the cost of your computer, printer, internet, and office supplies as business expenses. If you're a photographer, you can deduct the cost of your camera, lenses, and other equipment. Make sure to keep receipts and records of all your business expenses. Point 2. Separate your personal and business expenses. The next tip is to separate your personal and business expenses. This means opening a separate bank account for your business and only using it for business-related expenses. This will make it easier to keep track of your expenses and ensure that you don't mix personal expenses with business expenses. For example, if you receive payment for your side hustle work, make sure to deposit it into your business bank account rather than your personal account. And when you're paying for business expenses, use your business bank account to make those payments. Point 3. Understand your tax deductions. The third tip is to understand the tax deductions that are available to you. As a side hustler, you may be eligible for deductions such as the home office deduction, mileage deduction, or even the cost of health insurance premiums. By understanding these deductions, you'll be able to take advantage of them and reduce your taxable income. For example, if you work from home, you may be able to deduct a portion of your rent or mortgage as a home office deduction. If you use your car for business purposes, you can deduct the mileage you drive for business. And if you're self-employed and pay for your own health insurance, you may be able to deduct those premiums as well. Point 4. Contribute to a retirement account. The fourth tip is to contribute to a retirement account. This could be a traditional IRA or a solo 401k, depending on your situation. By contributing to a retirement account, you'll be able to reduce your taxable income and save for your future at the same time. For example, if you're a freelancer or self-employed, you can set up a solo 401k and contribute up to $19,500 per year as of 2021, which can reduce your taxable income. Additionally, you can contribute up to $6,000 per year to a traditional IRA as of 2021, which can also reduce your taxable income. Point 5. Hire a tax professional. The fifth and final tip is to hire a tax professional. While it's possible to do your taxes on your own, a tax professional can help you navigate the complex tax laws and ensure that you're taking advantage of all the deductions and credits that are available to you. For example, a tax professional can help you determine which tax deductions are applicable to your side hustle and make sure you're claiming all of them. They can also help you avoid common tax mistakes, such as misclassifying workers or failing to report all of your income. Managing your taxes effectively is an important part of running a side hustle. By keeping track of your expenses, separating your personal and business expenses, understanding your tax deductions, contributing to a retirement account, and hiring a tax professional, you'll be able to minimize your taxes and keep more of your hard-earned money. Thanks for watching.